Hi guys, I'll make this a long story short. On Friday, I took a lot of videos. I took up, it took up all the space in my storage. I deleted some files. I accidentally deleted my video files in the process. So now you know why you don't have the walk-in videos in my lecture class from economics. Instead of doing AB physics, I took a video in my AB economics class. But since I deleted it, I got no proof of that. So anyway, let's get on doing this. Make sure it's recording. Okay, it's recording. It says here, attached you will find the class syllabus. You don't need to bring a signed copy or even print it out, meaning for your information and to share. So I'm going to share with all of y'all for AP Physics. Why gotta be downloaded though? Oh, well, after I'm done with this, I'm just going to get rid of it. Oh, but like that's it. But you guys could take a look at this. Okay, I'm just in the parts from here. Pause at any time and read whatever for clarification. Okay, let's see here. Meet for 41 minutes every day. In addition to this 2 40-minute lab periods each week. Lab work is integral to the understanding of the concepts of this course. Designed by the College Board as course equivalent to the algebra-based college level physics class. I hate math. At the end of the course, they will take the AP Physics 1 exam, which will test their knowledge above the content taught in class and their use of the correct formulas. I get the concepts, I just don't like the formulas. Anyway, there are 6 big ideas. Number 1, objects and systems have properties such as mass and charge. Fields existing in space can be used to explain interactions. The interactions of an object with other objects can be described by forces. Interactions between systems can result in changes in those systems and stuff like. You guys can pause and read that. Okay, here we're gonna get evaluated. This is really important, my fellow students. Let me turn it sideways for y'all. Hold up. Oh, much better. Students will get grades on homework, quizzes, laboratory works, projects, and exams. Exam will typically worth 100 points and will consist of questions similar to one students will see on the AP exam. If that's true, then I'm scared. But anyway, homework assignments and quizzes will consist of problems from the textbook. Sorry, just checking some stuff out. Okay, I got 13% battery life left. Anyway, I apologize for that. Consists of problems from the textbook, equivalent, and old AP exams. Long-term projects typically will involve a group of students developing a plan. I hate that. Collecting data and or research, presenting conclusions in a meaningful way. I just prefer the lectures where you just take notes and stuff like that. That's how I learn best. Laboratory work is horrible. And laboratory work is student-centered and inquiry-based and is discussed below. I'm just gonna go through here and point out anything that I find is important. Oh yeah, he didn't enforce this yet, but we're gonna have to keep a lab notebook soon. We'll keep a record of our laboratory work. They will consist of the following components for each lab report: the title, objective/problem, design, data, calculation, graph, conclusion. You could pause and read that. So that's something there. So sometimes teachers have their own methods. My teacher might not even make us keep a notebook, but whatever. Here I'm just scrolling through the different stuff we'll be doing, I guess. So you could just pause and read that. Some of these we did, some of these we didn't. Okay, outside the classroom experience. Outside the classroom lab experience. In addition to lab, students will be required to do one exercise outside the laboratory experience. They may pick one of the following at the end of our rotation unit and the mechanics. Oh dear. Guessing I'll talk about this to us soon after we get done with Unit 1. Anyway, students will use a video analysis program. I can't imagine how making us do this. To analyze the motion of a toilet move. Oh, wait a second, we did some of this. But minus the videotaping for. You can pause and read here. We didn't get Pitch and Pick a Hollywood movie and will point out 3 or more instances of bad physics. They will present the information to the class to grant the encourage both qualitatively and quantitatively. The researcher Phil Wright amusement part, they will present information to the class on the safety feature of the right and why they are in places. Or why they are in place. You know what? They're probably gonna have us go through Kennywood for that, because that's what they normally do. At least for my homeboy JR and the other kids in the district. And yeah, apparently that's it. Well, hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna show you guys the curricular requirements one last time, and then I'm gonna get out here. Okay, we have access to college level resources. We provide opportunities for students to develop understanding of the fundamental principles of kinematics. The course design provides opportunities for students to develop understanding of the fundamental. They pretty much help us understand dynamics, principles of gravitation, circular motion, energy, rotational motion, electric circuits, laboratory investigations. Yeah. What does the last one say? The course provides opportunity for students to develop written and oral scientific argumentation skills. Well, with an argument like that, I'm sold. So I guess I just end off here. See y'all around.